the beginning, this is the room we had the major problem in.
Glenn Wilds is standing in what used to be his bedroom. You see, his family doesn't live here anymore. Wind turbines drove them out.
Well, we first started feeling it in the spring of 2008, but we didn't really know what was wrong with us. So we were feeling awful itchy in the house, major headaches. Our hearts were really pounding.
I was getting sicker again this year.
A block away, Sandy McLeod has the exact day they turned the turbines on near her home marked on her calendar.
Night after night after night without sleep, and you got so exhausted.
Just around the corner, Helen Forster rhymes off the symptoms she and her neighbors have been experiencing for well over a year now.
I have tinnitus and pressure in my ears and fatigue, heart palpitations, stress, anxiety.
The companies that run the 38 turbine wind farms say they've been studying the problem for months now.
We didn't find anything, so there's nothing we can point to directly that's causing these issues.
But David Calling thinks he knows. Calling is an electrical agricultural consultant. He believes high-frequency electrical pollution is traveling from the turbines along these wires and into these homes.
All the collection lines should be buried. They should never be above ground between the wind turbines and the substation.
The wind companies did bury some lines last fall, but only small sections. And while they were working on that, they paid for hotels for some of the affected residents. But when they returned, the problems were still there.
It hasn't been fixed to near our satisfaction.
The company says they're running out of solutions.
I wouldn't say that it's in their head. I would just say that, that probably more can be done from at the local level to determine, what is causing the problems.
Fed up with it all, Glenn and Brenda Wilds have moved to Kincardine, but they worry about their son and his growing family, who also live amongst the turbines, but can't afford to move.
Fix it or help us.
Near Ripley, Scott Miller, A News.